Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates after the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu was the dearest person to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, and he too was extremely dutiful to her. It was practice of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that she would lavishly give in Allah's way what of the provision Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted her, and would not hoard up anything. Once Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu said she should withhold her hand. She said, "Does he withhold my hand? I vow not to talk to him." He sent her many men of the Quraysh, particularly on the distaff side of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as his arbitrators, but she ignored all. So Abdurrahman bin Aswad bin Abd Yaghus and Miswar bin Makhrama, the Zuhri's maternal relatives of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said to him, "When we seek the permission to visit Hazrat Aisha, you should hide yourself." So he did so. Then 10 slaves were sent to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. She manumitted them. Thereafter, they continued to send the slaves till when 40 slaves had been freed. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "Would that I had determined the course of action while vowing, so as to do away with the oath after fulfilling that action." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3505.